Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have a recipe for whole wheat bread for you to try. It is easy to make and super tasty. Start by making a hole in the center of your wholemeal flour. Add some yeast, sugar, and water. Add some salt with water and continue kneading the dough. You can of course use any flour you like, but wholemeal flour is healthier and richer in nutrients and fiber. Cover the dough and leave it to rest for half an hour. Wet your hands with a bit of water and knead the dough once again. Cover it again for 30 minutes and repeat the process. Cover it one last time for another 30 minutes. Knead the dough a little bit, then split it in two. Throw it in fine semolina. And then spread it in a circular way. Cover it again for 30 minutes. Bake for 30 minutes in a preheated oven at 220 degrees. There, our bread is now ready to enjoy. I hope you like the recipe and will try it. Check out our other recipes in our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next with a new recipe.